Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video I will be showing you how to replace your Hyundai key fob. As you can see, the old key fob was pretty battered and the lock button wasn't working, so I've decided to replace it with an aftermarket key fob. In order to strip down the entire casing, I first needed to remove the case of the battery. Now that the casing's been removed, I've inserted a little screwdriver and pushed it towards me so I could remove the battery. Now, in order to gain access to the transponder and the flip key, I need to remove the married casings. This can be done by slotting a screwdriver in between the sides, but make sure there isn't any screws holding the two casings, which is at the back where there is a Hyundai logo. Once you have gained access between the two casings, you'll need to put it towards you and hold it with your fingers and slide the screwdriver towards the key fob. Now that the casing has been removed, rotate your key clockwise direction and remove your key from the old casing. Now for the new key fob, you'll need to do the same process and split it apart. Now to replace your key, you need to remove the new blank key and replace it with your key and your flip button, as the replacement one does not fit. If you have removed your key and your key button, you will need to slot your key's button to your key where there is two slots on your key and the two big slots on your key button, which is shown. If you have removed your spring and the replacement spring has been removed from your new casing, what you need to do is find the slot on your new casing and also an area of the spring is pointing outwards. You want to get the spring area where it's pointing outwards and put it in the slot of your casing. Once you have put the spring to its position with the key and the key button, you'll need to rotate your key to anti-clockwise direction. This will spring your key to clockwise direction. Now put the transponder unit and close the casing. When you're marrying both the casings together, you will hear a clicking noise. Make sure that there is no gap between the two casings and test your key if it's working. Now place the battery and test if it's working. Now for the battery casing, you could either choose to put your new one or your old one. Now if you decide to put the old one, it would be better as there is codings on it. But if you want it to look better, you could put the new casing. Now put on the screw and now you have replaced your key fob. If you like my video, please make sure to like, subscribe and comment. Thank you for watching.